next 10 minutes, we'll learn the accompaniment of Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen, which requires you to learn only 5 chords, super easy to play. For reference, here's middle C, and we're learning the accompaniment in the key of C major. This is what the intro sounds like. I'll go through the first few chords and then show you the pattern to play the chords in. Our first chord is C major with C on the left hand and G, C, and E on the right hand. We're using the second inversion of C major. Next is A minor in its root position with A on the left and A, C, and E on the right. When switching between these two chords, we're moving our bottom note on our right hand between G and A. And the intro is just C major, A minor, C major, and A minor. Now we'll cover the rhythm and timing of how we play these chords. The song is in 6/8 time signature, which means that we have 6/8 beats in each bar. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. For the first 8th beat, we'll play our left hand bass note. For the remaining 5 8th beats, we'll play the chord notes on our right hand, starting from the bottom note, and we move up and then back down. For example, for our first chord, C major, we have C on the left and G, C, E, C, G on the right. For A minor, we'll do the same thing with A on the left and A, C, E, C, A on the right. With counting, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the entire intro is C major, A minor, C major, and A minor. We can also add a passing note on our left hand to make our playing match the recording. On the left hand, we can add a B in between the C and A notes. And we'll add the B note on the 6th beat. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alternatively, you can leave out the last note on the right hand while you're playing on the left hand, which is my preferred way of playing. I find it sounds better. For the first section, our first 4 chords are exactly the same as the intro. I'll go through the chords first, and we can arpeggiate the chords after. The next chord is F major in root position with F on the left and F, A, and C on the right. Then we have G major in root position with G on the left and G, B, and D on the right. Then we have C major and G major. Let's review the chords for the first half of the verse. C major, A minor, C major, A minor, F major, G major, C major, and G major. Arpeggiating the chords, we have C major, A minor, C major, A minor, F major, G major, C major, and G major. Notice how each chord takes an entire bar. When switching from C major chord to the last G major chord, we can also add passing notes on the left hand. We'll do this by playing E and F before playing our G major chord like so. We'll try it again. C major, passing notes, and G major. So the first half of the verse section sounds like this. For the second half of the verse section, we start with C major, F major, G major, and A minor. Notice how F major and G major both last half a bar each, so together they fit in a bar. F major, G major, and E7 with E on the left, and E, G sharp, B, and D on the right. Then we have A minor for 2 bars. We'll play A minor first and play A octaves on the right and left hand. So arpeggiating the chords, we have C major. For F major, we'll play F on the left and F and A on the right. For G major, we'll play G on the left and G and B on the right. And A minor, F major, and G major. For E7, we'll play E on the left and E, G sharp, D, B, and E on the right. E7. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A minor, and play A octaves for the last A minor. Let's try that in normal timing. C major, F major, G major, A minor, F major, G major, E7, A minor, and another A minor with A octaves on both hands. Let's run through the entire verse section. C major, A minor, C major, A minor, F major, G major, C major, passing notes, G major, C major, F major, G major, A minor, F major, G major, E7, A minor, and A minor again. That brings us to the chorus. The chorus progression is F major again, A minor again, F major, C major, G major, C major, and G major. Arpeggiating the chords, we have F major, A minor, F major, C major, G major, C major, and G major. Like the first section, we can apply the passing notes from C major to the last G major chord like so. Let's try the last 4 chords of the course. We have C major, G major, C major, passing notes, G major. So the entire course is F major, F major, A minor, F major, C major, G major, C major, passing notes, and G major. For the outro, we'll play the chorus chord progression except for the last 2 chords. And we'll repeat this chord progression a few times. The original recording repeats this section 3 times. end with a C major chord. For the last iteration of the outro progression, you can add passing note from C major to G major chord. And then we end with C major chord with C octaves on the left and G, C, and E together on the right. Roll your fingers on the right like so. If you enjoyed playing arpeggiated chords, you'll definitely enjoy my Unchained melody by the Righteous Brothers. Click on the link below to check it out.